Hi, my name is Sean, and I'm currently a 5th grader at Audubon Elementary. This week at EDNova Academy, I got the chance to experiment and learn about the Arduino. Arduino is an open source electronic platform that has easy to use software and hardware. It allows for students like myself to come up with interactive projects. Software is a term for different programs used to operate and control a computer. A computer program is a set of instructions on what to tell the circuit on what to do. In order to interact with the Arduino, I had to write a few computer programs that give the Arduino instructions on how to make the LED light and flash. The first program that I wrote was to make the LED blink once every 1 second. The program called the function digital write in order to make the LED output pin to turn on. I also used a function called delay because I wanted to make the LED pulse quicker and slower. I made this program using a loop, which means that it will repeat forever. By making it loop, I could control the blinking and make it turn on and off by specifying the times in my program. The second experiment I got to do was to use the Arduino and replicate a traffic light. A normal traffic light has green, yellow, and red colors and is used to direct whether cars can proceed or have to stop. To create a similar effect, I had to use 3 LED lights with different colors. The Arduino has different ports, which allowed me to get the power from the board. The digital ports were used in my program by using a method called void setup. Then I used pin mode to tell which pins relate to which LED. After that, I created a program which was able to turn on one light for a specific number of seconds while making it sure that the other lights were off. The program then switched and it was from the green LED light being on to the yellow LED being on. The last part for the program made the yellow light stay on for 2 seconds and then turn on the red LED for 5 seconds. The program would completely loop after that, which means the red LEDs would turn back to green, which is very similar to a real traffic light. The circuitry behind my traffic light was similar to what I had done to the past on the breadboard. Every LED had a 220 ohm resistor to make sure it would not blow out. A resistor is used to resist current, and that's why I had 3 of them. The resistors connected in parallel, and it all went back to the negative terminal of the breadboard, which was then attached to the ground of the Arduino board. The power was supplied from the digital pin strips, which supplies current to the breadboard. Overall, I learned the basics of Arduino and programming through this lab, and I am excited to take the Arduino home because I'll get a whole lot done with it. And this entire experience taught me the concepts of programming and how to relate them to circuitry. Thank you.